Top 5 Foods for Kidney Health. Description: in this video, we dive deep into the world of kidney health and explore the top 10 foods that can help support and maintain healthy kidneys naturally. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood, so it's essential to provide them with the right nutrients to function optimally. Join us as we discuss the benefits of each of these foods, including water, cranberries, apples, berries, garlic, olive oil, onions, leafy greens, cauliflower, and red bell peppers. Please do subscribe and share my video. Number 1. Water. Hydration and filtration. Water is the primary component of urine, and adequate hydration is necessary to maintain urine production. When the body is well hydrated, the kidneys can efficiently filter waste products and toxins from the blood to be excreted in the urine. Insufficient hydration can lead to concentrated urine, which may increase the risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Number 2. Cranberries. Reducing the risk of kidney stones. Some studies suggest that the compounds found in cranberries may help prevent the formation of certain types of kidney stones by inhibiting the aggregation of crystals in the urinary tract. By reducing the likelihood of kidney stone formation, cranberries may support kidney health. Cranberries are a good source of vitamin C, E, and K, as well as fiber and various antioxidants. These nutrients can support overall health, including kidney health, by promoting proper functioning and reducing oxidative stress. No. 3. Apple. Apples are a great source of dietary fiber, including pectin, which supports digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels, important factors for kidney health. Hydrating properties. Apples have a high water content, aiding in hydration, a vital aspect of kidney function that supports the removal of waste products from the body. Rich in antioxidants. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, which can help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Body. Urinary tract health. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in berries may help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can affect the kidneys if left untreated. Low in potassium. Berries are generally low in potassium, making them a kidney-friendly fruit for those who need to monitor their potassium intake due to kidney disease or related conditions. Conclusion. Incorporating a variety of berries into your diet can be a delicious way to support your kidneys. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen, or in smoothies, these vibrant fruits can be a valuable addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Number 4. Olive oil. Anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body, including the kidneys, supporting overall kidney health. Heart health benefits. By promoting heart health, olive oil indirectly supports kidney health, as the two are closely linked. A healthy heart ensures proper blood flow to the kidneys, allowing them to function optimally. Number 5. Leafy greens. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are essential for kidney health. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidants found in leafy greens can help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, supporting their overall function. In conclusion, maintaining kidney health is crucial for overall well-being. By incorporating these top 5 foods into your diet, you can naturally support and cleanse your kidneys. Remember to stay hydrated, limit sodium intake, and maintain a healthy lifestyle to keep your kidneys functioning optimally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thank you for watching, and here's to your kidney health.